Hey guys, there's a request for a installation video for the shelf cover. Again, this is super easy. Basically, we have two strips of the Velcro. One that I personally put it underneath, right below the shelf itself, right along the side of it. You can put it on the surface. I found it on the bottom of it. You will stretch the material a little bit so you will look a little bit more neat. Some people will have it, you can even install on the inside. Therefore, you can leave, if you have an elk track version, you can leave all these things still accessible. If you have it on the inside, so basically you just have the same position of Velcro, but instead of outside, just have it inside. And there's another line of strip of Velcro that goes along the headliner itself, right here. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put this on. So obviously just make sure that the material is centered in the shelf and start from the upper portion of it. So I do want to emphasize, when installing the bottom portion of the cover, you don't want to make it too tight. I think in this case, in the video, I made it pretty tight. What happened is when you made it too tight, you start pulling the material down. So you do want to just make sure there's a little bit of slack, a material that is not completely pulling the Velcro from above.